Hello, fifth period slash homeroom. I wanted to make this video to answer some questions that I got a bunch today in the hopes that things will make more sense for you guys as we move through the next couple of days of this first cycle. So you should be signed into my Google Classroom. Fifth period and homeroom are the same Google Classroom. There is not a separate one for homeroom. So if you can get here, you're in the right place. So when we're meeting this week for homeroom, what you're going to need to do is click on this meet link within Google Classroom, and it will take you to the meeting with me to take homeroom attendance. We are being asked to do attendance by roll call, which means I have to actually see you in the meeting to mark you present. And this meeting only goes from 11:15 until 11:23 each day. So you'll have to sign into this by 11:15. You'll click join now. Once you come up on the screen, I can mark you present. You can ask me any questions that you need to ask me, and then you are free to go and work on what you need to work on. So I'm going to show you what those things are that you should be working on for these first 6 days. So this attendance we're going to ignore for right now because that's not how we're taking it for homeroom. And you'll notice there's a homeroom subsection here. So each day there is a PDN for you to do. And the way I have that put together is in a slide deck on Google Slides. So you'll just go to the day, whatever day it is, and I will have the PDN form linked for you. And then you'll just fill out whatever it is and submit it. The thing that you have to work on for the entire 6 days is this task list, which if you did orientation, you've probably already seen. If not, you're going to click on whichever one you want, the Spanish or the English copy here. And when it opens up, all of these next to each number are linked. So if you wanted to do Google Classroom organization, it would take you out to a little instructional video and some steps how to figure things out for yourself. Some of you have been asking me about the introductory writing activity. That is number 12 on this checklist. So when you click on that link, it's requiring you to make a copy so that you can edit and put your own information in. So it'll open it up. It will save automatically to your drive, your Google Drive. Okay, so you don't have to do anything other than maybe change it so that it has your name in it. And then you can go in, I don't know why it's so small. You can, ooh, jeez. And now I've gone too far. Good heavens, all right. Okay, so you'll see that there's different questions and things in here that you can answer. Of course, now it's giving me a hard time about moving it around. Wonderful. Here we go. It's a goal setting document. So this week, what you'll do, this quarter, the school year, and you're only going to do one of these, and then you're going to submit it to each of your teachers. So just one time, and the same file goes to everyone. So I will show you where that is. In the introduction to class down here, I have the place for you to sign, turn this in. So it looks different from my perspective because I'm on the teacher end, so I don't have the option to turn it in. But when you open this up, there will be a turn in button up here in the corner, and you'll be able to attach the file from your drive in order to do that. Okay. What else? My contact information is all up here. So you have my email address, you have the remind code if you would want to join on a different device or something, and Google Voice if you need to speak to me person to person immediately. That rings straight through to my cell phone. So what else? What else? I'm trying to think if there's anything else. The only other thing that you need to do as part of that checklist is it's going to say to look at my introductory video. That is here. There's a document here that has some things to know about me and a little short video for you guys to watch. So I think that is pretty much everything you need to know for right now. But I encourage you, when you sign in for homeroom over the next couple days, to please bring whatever questions you have. I am happy to work with you to get things resolved. One last thing I want to point out is that I did post here the main page on the RHS website that has all the information about what is going on right now. So it has Chromebook and orientation information here. It has all the Google Classroom and Remind codes that you need. It has information on the checklist, on orientation, a copy of the schedule. Make sure you're looking at the right one. This is for the Academy, so you're looking for the RHS main. It has a link for IT if you're having trouble with your Chromebook. So check here first for any information you might need. If you cannot find it, then please ask me and I will do my best to track it down for you. Okay? If you have any questions, I will be happy to talk to you about them when I see you, or you can remind me or email me in the meantime. All right, bye.